Hello and welcome to Lesson 6 of the Theory Frenzy Grade 3 tutor book. In this lesson, the teaching aims are to learn about the octave sign, the staccatissimo sign and Italian words used for performance direction. So the octave sign is shown by an 8VE. It can be shown above the stave or below the stave. So when it's above the stave, it means play an octave higher, and when it's below the stave, it means play an octave lower. Then you've got a little sign which looks like a pear drop really, called the staccatissimo sign, and this means that the notes are to be played very, very separated. Then you've got a piece of music called Tasting the Sugar Candy Bar, and in it you've got quite a few little indications and some questions to answer. So it says answer the questions below. What does allegretto mean? Again, you've learnt that in previous grades. Name the intervals found in the bass clef. So we're talking about the intervals that you can see all the way through, and I'll tell you now there's only two, and we're looking at the harmonic intervals here. Okay, the notes that go together. And if you look at those sections, you'll see that the intervals, there's only two of them. Which two bars show the octave sign? How many fermata signs are there in this piece? And you've learned about fermata signs in previous grades too. What does our tempo mean? You've learnt about that in a previous grade. And write down the dynamics in order from the quietest to the loudest. And then the final question says, add some staccatissimo notes to this piece. Then we move on to learning more Italian words that are used for performance directions. And there's a great list of words here. And again, I would suggest you try and revise these words and all the previous ones that you've learnt in previous grades, because you really don't know how many of these words will come up. And that completes Lesson 6.